tuning in this beautiful morning to all the children tuning in from home because they are enjoying.
Yeah.
I hope they are enjoying their holidays.
Wakandua.
First and holidays this beautiful morning. To all the mothers out there who have just woken up
Yeah.
and are making breakfast. This is a beautiful morning. Yandra Binaka. To all the drivers as well, tuning in from every vehicle,
Yeah.
taxi, buses, and also to the private vehicles, and also the minibus, and all the wonderful passengers that are tuning in this morning on their way to work.
Don't we've been hearing the friendly games between
Right.
the schools gearing up for the next event on their
Right.
calendar. School calendar, which is the Dean's Trophy.
Right.
Lebuna kornibuli era samai gitu di kata-kata voli patikir na ndui tevindra. Ada bi kornibuli so kada baru tagi tiko na bika. Membala tadi korniwa so sinibuli ya na sota di Dean's.
And the league, rugby league too, this week, this Saturday.
All the best to all the teams
Right.
that are vying for a place
Right.
in the rugby league competition. We run a little bit of the secondary school rugby league competition. And on the Banua and Ngongo.
Yandra kami tasig na.
Tomarini von in Karabi this morning and everyone joining again. The weather is shakeable.
Right.
You see one guava tree outside is shaggy up and down.
Right.
Right now in front of our naked eye.
Dinasar.
We see the weather. The weather is it's become cool now.
Right.
Yes. It's changed a little bit.
Yeah.
You can feel the cold in the day, you cold in the night,
Don't be like
but you cold can change your future.
Right.
You said that a few bridges have been damaged last week. Back in
Why no? Yes.
Four altogether.
Five bridge have been washed by the
Right.
Nautan pinamata sa isang bubasar nga.
yeah. One in Vatican Ronro, one in Naro,
Iyo.
another one there at Nakorlevu,
Iyo.
Matelo, and Digalgala.
Doon mo na po. Lima pa kang dua.
That's
Oy.
on our side. We don't know the other side.
Dinasar.
That means the rain in the north is a bit too much, eh?
The name itself it's called Wainunu.
Right.
The Nunu.
Hey, and also when I wake up at on Monday, is it Monday or Tuesday?
Yeah.
I came to work. When I didn't see the Konambay,
Yeah.
pwede ko may nasisi. And nung kaya kami matagal, I came to work, and then when I went back,
Yeah.
I don't know manita ka dala kami papi nakataki.
Iyo.
I didn't know that embal and ambay because of
Nagkukuliway.
heavy rain.
Boy.
The force.
Yes.
H2O is different, Noah.
Right. Water is different. The pressure.
Dinasar.
I think it's one of the strongest elements.
Did you meet up with
right.
Mama Willie or no?
No, we just called. This morning he missed call.
But he never came for the family affair.
No, he will be on August.
Nagkakaman, like with Mama Willie. What's wrong with Mama
He
Willie?
will be on August, our grandfather. This is from my
Right.
grandmother's side.
Oh, okay.
From my grandfather's side.
Okay.
From Willie's,
He'll be there.
Yeah, he will be
okay,
there.
okay.
Any news about marriage or still looking?
About to.
Really?
about
I think Esabon
Sagi
Sigalau
kapsara.
is
Yeah.
taking after Momo Willie.
Saya meron sabi ko sini nga o siya o di ko esa mabata Mama Willie. Because see, one thing in common, they are looking for the right one.
Right.
Meka nga sata meron sabi rimatanga, rosabi kumati, rosabi kumukumu yan.
Saan ko ba?
Rosabi kumati.
Natakele siya ni Milika John Kumar Bralam Bulamelaka
Right.
and everyone joining this morning.
Yeah.
It's a good morning, good vibe. It's this day today.
Yeah.
The moving of life is very, very fast.
Yeah.
Right.
So we are now seeing ourselves in the mirror. We are not be like before.
Yeah.
The 5 years in a row.
Right.
Right.
Now we are looking forward that we see our children is growing.
Right.
That means we are growing to
We are
the early age
realized
of oldies.
right that we are getting old, eh?
Ah.
True,
Right.
sir.
Since
true,
he came
sir.
back from a 3 days leave on the
Right.
Is it better to go for 1 week leave, 1 day leave, 2 days leave, or what? 3 days?
3 days.
3
He
days
said,
is
eh?
enough, eh?
3 of me.
Shut and
Yeah,
sleep.
3 days is enough, eh?
No.
Oh,
You managed to do some other things.
Not so much. Not so
Not so much.
You know the people from the village coming, eh?
Right.
No sleep. Most of the time we're telling the story, we're helping this, we're helping
Right.
that, we're having fun.
See,
I enjoy.
Tamay
Yeah.
wise, he noticed that. He said, Lore Berto Membulia, near to sang ni mo
Siya nga na mo de, from the medo me na matari ko na
Your
magtatala.
eyes Your eyes is lingering.
Right.
Enai ato enalanga. We was there with our tamale during the family reunion.
Saya langgar lebu ni sekali dia mode, langgar lebu di dundru.
Tabagi nama tahu. We was there and the people are wondering,
Right.
why I'm not groggy.
Right.
And our tamale trying to one tamale is Merseini from
Right.
he married to Nakama.
Yeah.
Nakama village in Lambasa.
Right.
So he's trying her very best to me kami utara.
Right.
Batikar to na tabalen to may batino uruay.
Right.
To sambusangan din may utara.
Iya.
Right.
Sang sa usapan ko usar nimbuto na puno.
Willpower is very strong.
Did you
Adi.
drink a bowl or
No.
siang saranga?
Awa ko berto ndo sotiaw. Ukara mundo na rokova.
Just
Nangono
eat.
na tarakina, nangono na tarakina nang kailakuan.
Oh, okay, one
Oh,
now,
okay.
I
You
will
know,
come in
thank
the-
you, Adi, for respecting your decision.
Respect may be kalam
Making
balang
a wise choice.
Eh, pinakan yung day na numubukat ko
Yes, yes.
Ayaw ba ya
Very hard.
sa ayo.
So, sila ni Rawata.
Hindi nga ni sa di may tumba. Pero sa sangamer sa papisuke or to na tabel ko sa
I thought
kinda dala
Coca-Cola
ko ni
games.
juice. Ardo kinda dala ko ni juice sa to na si Mac juice kanda to malio sa lay do dami to.
I thought Coca-Cola game is finished.
So how long nanumutabot si Mingo sa after how many
Abo
months?
ang ko bidala mula. Mawatan mo sa September.
Oy! So your tabu is 1 year?
About 2.
I said 1 year?
Iya, may sini 1 year lebu.
Huh?
Ela ko tunggu me do nang uno sa walik
Wala na busara, wala na busara.
True, yeah.
Doon
And
naman natin.
lang nga, you will get used to it and then you won't feel like.
Okay, apart from the tambu from the Hengwana,
Right.
is there any plans for you to tambu other things?
Kago riwawaat.
Saya nak kata kena Hengwana mo sa tambu kina.
Tambukin na me kakat.
Bebese tu.
Itu beri sangar kena kemenangan lagi kena bosa, may masula kaya begitu buah.
Imbiu.
Rume ko la kena indaw yan, Ryan.
Sabi ko na kaya, panwala ko na lalalo rin tugi. Ano pinabi Pony and Lomani GS 979?
Endra. Ebra malam besar beto kan ni hanon ta ouch palang iso na matang di kuwa.
Right.
Gay lag ta kan ni hey hat pata kena no mushia. En singa lotu levi na di kuwa.
Right.
Beto mara singa mataka maro chuna bula go kur mundu.
Ella the money.
Messi.